Hello and welcome to Aaleen's Recipe Corner. Today I am going to cook a vegetarian gravy, that's tomato Saalan, your tomato gravy. The ingredients are up on the screen and I have added them in the description box below. Kindly make a note of it. If you're watching my video and you still see the subscribe button in red, please click on it and also click on the bell icon to stay notified about my new uploads. Do make some time to watch my other videos too, and also let me know in the comment section what recipes would you like to hear from me. So let's get started. 25 ml oil once hot. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, allow them to splutter. Add few curry leaves and 2 dried red chilies. Fry them for few seconds. Now add the grounded tomato paste and allow it to cook in the oil. Once you see the first boil, add little salt according to your taste. Mix that well. In the meantime, add some water into the jar, rinse it well and add it to the pan. Give it a good mix and allow it to boil. While that's getting boiled, add some coriander leaves for that extra flavor. Stir well. Now cover the pan and cook this on low flame for 5 to 8 minutes or till you see the oil separating from the gravy. Now the gravy is well cooked and you can see the oil has all risen up. Check the consistency. It's very thin gravy. Do serve this with a teaspoon of ghee. If you cook this, let me know in the comment section how did it turn out for you. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.